How to break streak on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily break the streak on your Snapchat. So if you are using Snapchat for a while and if you have been sending a streak every single day to your friends, then you might be on your streak just like this. As you can see on this fire icon over here, these are all the streaks. For example, this is 7 streak. I have 7 streak with this person and 1 streak with this person. So to break that chain of streaks, what you can do is simply select the on the person, head over to this chat section and select on the person with whom you want to break your streak with. So let's say I want to break a streak with this person. So what you can do is simply select on this person's name, and there is option that is shown right on the top right corner. There is 3 dot icon. Simply click on it and just select the manage friendship option, and you will see 3 different options, that is block, report and remove friend. So all you have to do is simply click on block, and it will ask you to, do you really want to block? Simply click on block again, and which will officially end your streak right there. So that's exactly how you can easily break the streak on Snapchat. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.